October 2023, Magnify News. The Jetank AI Kit is an intelligent crawler robot specially designed for NVIDIA JetBot projects. The expansion board integrates OLED, motor drive circuit, servo drive circuit, power supply circuit, battery protection circuit, and more, which saves you the trouble of welding the circuit yourself. Its battery supports charging. The software is fully compatible with the NVIDIA JetBot AI project and supports intelligent obstacle avoidance, autonomous line patrol, motion detection, color recognition, and other functions. The robot is also equipped with a 4-degree of freedom mechanical arm, which is controlled by a 3-dimensional coordinate system and can be flexibly controlled by a wireless gamepad. Possible applications include educational purpose, research and development, hobby and entertainment, prototyping, robot competitions, and programming. The versatile robot is available for order at waveshair.com and on other marketplaces specialized in consumer robots.